This is project Worth the Wait, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Worth the Wait is painted in full gloss British racing green with black accents all round. This vehicle sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point roll cage with rear ladder, 4 LED round spot lamps up front and 2 work lights at the rear. Also featured is a classic front bumper with worn winch and full frontal brush guard bumper with a black steering guard. Inside, this 110 features an Evander wood steering wheel with vintage gauges, Recaro orthoped front and mid-row seats with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear. Each seat is hand-trimmed in Garrett Journey Scenic Trail leather with woven maple waffle inserts, stitched together in brown. Worth the Wait also features a stunning teak wood floor in the load area, again stained in a mid-brown. This 110 is powered by our LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission, providing superb performance on and off-road. Worth the Wait also features an array of modern conveniences such as upgraded Infinity Kappa audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, wireless charging and access to USB ports throughout. Worth the Wait is a seamless blend of modern performance and engineering with classic touches throughout such as the hand-cut wooden load area flooring, a superb example of an E.C.D signature build.